Hello everyone.
We're sanding the hull, trying to get it smooth, trying to get off all the old anti-fouling paint that was on the bottom. It was done before they put it on the hard, but because it sat for 2 years or now 2.5 years on the hard like that, the anti-fouling is all crazed over and it's peeling in areas because that stuff is supposed to stay wet when you put it on. You could actually put your boat in the water minutes after applying it, so it can be wet all the time, but it's not good at being dry all the time. So we are about to
Start our second day. Yesterday we spent the whole afternoon or evening doing work on it, actually sanding it, and today we're gonna do the other side of the boat
and finish where we took off or left off from yesterday.
We're trying to find a suit for Michael because he got a reaction and we didn't find it. So this time he's just gonna protect himself.
The long sleeve.
With a long sleeve long sleeve.
Tape the sleeves shut so that it doesn't get in there. Got extremely itchy for hours after sanding. I think it was a very hot day, and having your pores open and sweaty arms everywhere that stuff could get inside my skin, it was. So we're going to take a little extra precaution today. Still wear our masks and...
Cheers! Let's start working! Look at Michael's face.
Let's get sanding. I'm all plastic, man. I look like one of those crazy people that believe in aliens.
Again, wrapping it up.
Just keeps the dust, gives us less dust to worry about, so. There's some nice Wonder Woman cuffs going on here. Mary's gonna stop bullets here with her Wonder Woman cufflinks.
Next time. You gonna wear those?
Got this paint scraper because some spots were just not adhered very well and it was peeling off. You can see like a crackling effect. Not so much here because Mary already got most of that off. And then we fiddled that smooth with the sander after.
Coming up pretty good.
I think the water was getting in behind it, and then it all dried out and just crackled like that. So the keel would be better used with the smaller sander because it doesn't get as much growth. Up here, the first like 4 inches gets the most growth because that's where you're still getting a lot of daylight. So growth tends to really want to grow like right along that water line. So I'm going to use the more powerful sander which came with the boat. This thing's awesome. This thing's just a workhorse. Variable speed too, but it's heavy and I have a really bad shoulder, so it sucks that it's heavy, but it's good that it works really fast.
And this is the one I'm gonna be using. It's the smaller one that we got here, and that works pretty good.
We're gonna have to take a break because we have done a lot today. So we're just gonna go around the neighborhood and see what they got to offer. So we didn't end up going out to eat. We actually wanted to finish sanding the bottom. And we just ate something here. Michael is already down there sanding. I'm gonna be there in a minute. So Mike is almost done polishing one side of the bowl. While he's getting done, I'm just gonna make a galley pizza. It's a very quick pizza. If you want to know more about it, comment below. I can send you the recipe, or I can actually do another video showing how to make the easy pizza.
Our first pizzas of the boat. Delicious, homemade, from hand by our chef Mary.
And this is our end of the day. We usually go and take a shower and then we go for a walk, usually at this beautiful marina or surrounding marinas. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and keep tuned for the next video next week.